Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download First National Bank application on an Android device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. First, start off by going to your app drawer and tap open your Play Store. Soon after you do that, tap all the search box at the top and type in First National Bank and make your search. This was the app that we are looking for. I simply tap on the install button right beneath it in order to begin the downloading process for First National Banking application. Wait until your application gets downloaded on your Android device. It might only take a while depending upon your internet speed. So always be sure to be connected to a strong internet when it comes to downloading any kind of an application quicker and easier. Wait until the app gets installed as well. Once the application is downloaded and installed on your Android device, simply tap on the Open button popping up right beneath it to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download the First National mobile banking application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.